Mayeni was always calling Makhumalo a baby. Musamseleku is sleeping with a child because at that time Musamseleku meets Makhumalo. Makhumalo was 18 years of age. So Makhumalo was getting angry when Mayeni called her like that. Ingane le. But now Makhumalo was the one who is calling Makwela that Musamseleku enjoyed to sleep with a child what called Makwela. But Makwela, when she meets Musamseleku, Makwela was 20s, maybe 21, 22. Makhumalo, when she meets Musamseleku, Makhumalo was 18. Especially Makhumalo's situation was not good. Why Macele now review Makhumalo's situation when Musamseleku meet Makhumalo that Makhumalo have a child what? You know that sometimes Makhumalo is better to keep quiet or not to judge other people when she knows that other people they have got other files. You know that Macele review those files, open those files now, close the files because Musamseleku doesn't want to say it on television about how he meets Makhumalo. You know that Musamseleku was the one who told Macele, those people guys, they sleep together after the retreat. Musamseleku and Macele go to sleep and they discuss that Macele have to reveal the secret about Makhumalo that he met Makhumalo with a child what. Musamseleku was the one who told Macele that Macele have to say it on cameras because I will call the directors to shoot. We have to shoot to say it on television because when Macele say it on television, yeah, the truth will come out. So Makhumalo was always judging Musamseleku that Musamseleku is sleeping with a child. Makwela was sleeping with other men what because Makhumalo says that she knows Makwela. Makwela was dating other men what but she forgot that those people, Macele and Musamseleku, they have got other files of her that Musamseleku didn't meet Makhumalo like maybe she was real a girl because people were believing that when Musamseleku meet Makhumalo was a real girl or she doesn't have a child or what. So Musamseleku and Macele want people to know that Musamseleku was not the only person who sleep with Makhumalo. So they want to review it. So sometimes Makhumalo, when she says some of the words on television, she have to be you know that sometimes people they know your files, so she have to be open because sometimes guys you can end up you are not okay because people were believing that, especially people on social media were believing that Musamseleku maybe was the first man to sleep with Makhumalo because he met Makhumalo at a young age. So Macele and Musamseleku, they already know that those people Makhumalo always talking about other people, about Makwela, that Makwela you've got many boyfriends what Makwela is a child what Makwela meets Musamseleku in 20s. Even guys, ama 2000 other 2000s are in 20s. Understand? Especially people who are born in 2003, 2004, 2005. Those people are in 20s. So sometimes we can't say ingane because it's 2000. Guys, 2002 or 2001, it's long time ago, guys. It's 20 years ago. So sometimes, guys, Makhumalo have to be careful about what she is saying, that Makwela Musamseleku is enjoying Makwela because Makwela is a child what because she forgot that Musamseleku meet Makhumalo in 18 years of age, and those people they want to reveal her secret. So sometimes that woman, I love Makhumalo. You know that I'm team Makhumalo. I love Makhumalo a lot. Sometimes she have to be careful even to judge another wife, because Makhumalo want to judge Makwela. We are coming from the same place. What Musamseleku broke my promise. Yes, Musamseleku was wrong to broke her promise, but the reason why Musamseleku married Makwela is about the child. Makhumalo have to know that it's not about Musamseleku. You know that Makhumalo have to know that she can't have kids, and Musamseleku have got his own target to have kids. So there is no need that Musamseleku can not marry Makwela, because Makhumalo is the wife number 4. Why she doesn't want Makwela to marry Musamseleku or to stay with Musamseleku like a wife?